Seedance 2.5 is live, and before you even get access to it, Higgsfield is giving you something pretty incredible. Unlimited Seedance 2.0 in 4K starting right now. But here's the part most persons are missing. If you lock in the presale today, you get immediate unlimited access to Seedance 2.0 in 4K while you wait. I mean, if you ask me, that's a good deal. Then the moment 2.5 unlocks, you roll straight into another 7 days of unlimited generations on the new model. So let me show you what's actually new. You can easily feed it up to 50 different references in a single generation: images, videos, audio, style boards, text prompts, and it keeps all of that together while building the scene. And if something's slightly off, you don't have to regenerate the whole video anymore. You can just edit that specific area, whether it's an object, a character, or another small detail, without touching everything else. This feature would definitely save a lot of trial and error and even our credits. Most AI video models are limited to these really short clips, usually around 4 seconds, 8 seconds, and all of that, right? So if you want something longer, you would have to start stitching a bunch of clips together, and which can be very limiting. But Seedance 2.5 changes that. It can generate up to 30 seconds in one continuous shot, so your character stays consistent, the camera movement stays smooth, the lighting doesn't suddenly shift. It just feels like one uninterrupted take. This is such a big upgrade for video ad creation and storytelling. You can see how this film clip moves smoothly. The consistency is what really stands out. No jumps, no wobble, just continuity. Now the next upgrade is audio. So instead of generating the visuals first and adding sound afterward, dialogue, footsteps, and ambient sounds are all created in the same generation. Everything feels much more naturally synced. And that's exactly what these videos showing on the screen are all about. ByteDance also says prompt adherence is about 20% better than Seedance 2.0, so details like hairstyles, text, clothing, and textures stay much more consistent throughout the video. Take a closer look at this music video clip. Notice how their outfits, makeup, skin tones, and all those small details stay consistent the entire time. Nothing randomly changes halfway through. That's a huge deal because consistency has always been one of the biggest challenges with AI video. Honestly, I think this is a game changer for AI filmmakers and anyone using AI to create marketing videos. If you've been waiting for an excuse to try Seedance, this is probably the best time to jump in. It's a pre-sale, so once this offer ends, it's gone. The best part is that Higgsfield has a special offer for everyone. If you lock in the Seedance 2.5 presale, you'll get 7 days of unlimited Seedance 2.0 in 4K, and then you'll switch to Seedance 2.5 for another 7 days of unlimited generations, okay? So you're basically getting unlimited access for 2 full weeks. If you want to lock it in, the link is down in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.